Hey, do you want a simple step-by-step plan to make your batch cooking session a success? Stick around for the details because I'm going to tell you how. Hey there, I'm Mandy and I'm here to help you embrace your worth and take charge of your health. Okay, so let's get real. If you do not have a plan in place, you are way more tempted to drive through the drive-thru and eat a bunch of crap that's going to make you feel icky and puffy and grouchy. You know. If you're wanting to cut back on all of that inflammatory processed food that has little to no nutritious value, then sitting down for about 30 minutes a week to make a weekly meal plan will absolutely lessen the stress and guide you through your week. Not only that, but planning ahead for your batch cooking day will make it so much easier and so much simpler, especially if you're just starting with this batch cooking business or if you hate cooking. So this planning step definitely helped me when I first started all this cooking business to try to help get my health back. And after doing it a few times, you're going to get faster at it, you're going to get better at it, you're going to get more creative with it. Now, how do you plan for a batch cooking session? I like to plan backwards from your batch cooking day and then spread out the tasks that lead up to that day throughout the week. So the reason I spread them out is because, number one, sometimes people have time constraints. Some of us also we deal with some fatigue, especially if you have an autoimmune situation going on. You may be dealing with some fatigue, some energy levels that are really low. So this is a good way to prepare for your batch cooking day. Do a little bit of something each day or a few days of the week that leads up to your batch cooking day. And you want to conserve as much energy as you can for your actual batch cooking day because it's going to take a little while, a little bit, you're going to be on your feet and all that. So let's say that I do my batch cooking day on Saturday. That's the end game, the batch cooking session. So I'll probably want to clean my kitchen, make sure all of my items that I'm going to need for the cooking day, get them all washed and ready to go the day before. So if I'm going to cook on Saturday, I'm probably going to make sure I get my kitchen cleaned up and ready to go on Friday. Then I'm probably going to go shopping on Thursday because I don't want meat sitting in the freezer for too long, but I also don't want to be freezing a big pork shoulder and then trying to thaw it out and cook it later. I don't want to do that. So a couple of days beforehand, go shopping. Then I may make my shopping list, my grocery shopping list on Wednesday. And before that, maybe on Tuesday, I'll actually write out my meal plan. And then the batching plan, which is what I just walked you through, you can do that the day before that. Okay? So just picking days and times to do each of these tasks so that you're not overwhelmed by any of it is what's going to make this simple. They're just simple tasks that don't take a ton of time each day to do, and doing a little bit each day, and it won't even be every single day. It won't seem overwhelming that way. Take it in small chunks. Then after a few batch cooking sessions, you're going to be used to it. You're going to find your groove. You're going to find a routine for yourself. You'll be more familiar with what you want at the store. You might consider using a shipping service even, like Shipt or Instacart, to make the grocery shopping a little bit easier and simpler and save you some time there. And even save you some money because you won't be doing these compulsive purchases. So if you want the next step in the process, check out this video. If you want to just jump straight to the video where I talk about exactly what I cook and how I cook it, jump to this video and I'll see you there.